Hello everybody. I'm happy to be here to give you some more insight about the solution that we have developed and we are providing. What is the idea that we have is really to bring some more functionalities to MindSphere. MindSphere is already a great product, but by enhancing it with the Codex Communication platform of Atos, we are capable actually to provide additional functionalities to you that makes it even more attractive for you to use MindSphere. Enhancing MindSphere with the Codex Communication platform provides you with revenue streams, new revenue streams that make it possible to actually enhance and bring new business to you. Furthermore, we also are working on the efficiency that you can achieve with a remote service. So the operational efficiency can be increased by using remote service, and remote service is what we actually bring into MindSphere. Data analytics has evolved in the past very strongly. We actually have started here with descriptive analytics, where we just wanted to know what actually is happening. Then we went forth to the diagnostic analytics, where we wanted to understand why did something happen. And then the next step with the predictive maintenance, where we say, okay, what will happen? But all these analytic types, they are actually just collecting data from the devices and bringing it to the analytics tool to work on it. But now we are going to the prescriptive analytics. And this prescriptive analytic means that actually we want to understand what is happening, we want to get a solution to it, and then the connected action. And bringing the action to the machine, for that the information has to be sent back to the machine. And this bidirectional communication we are providing with the Codex Communication platform. So really enabling you to do in the future also prescriptive maintenance with your machines. Then a point that is coming up very often is the user-to-machine communication. I mean, once you have connected your different devices all over the world, you've really succeeded to jump over the hurdle to get your customers to connect the devices, then it's of course also interesting for you to do something else with it. And this is the topic of human-to-machine communication. Because this way you can do additional things. Things like a service technician connecting to a machine to work on it. But it can also be you have to consider that not every service technician is allowed to do the same things on the machine. So you must make a differentiation here. And often you also have got a quite complex assembly line where you actually would like to have different service technicians to connect jointly to the machine to do the work there. So this collaboration capabilities we are also providing with the Codex Communication platform. We also have a very strong authorization module in our platform. And with this authorization module, you can be very precise on what exactly is allowed to be done. So which service technician is allowed to connect to which machine, via which protocols, what applications is he allowed to use there. And all these things are being monitored and protocols, so that if you have an audit at a later time, you can anytime go back and show exactly what has happened and what has been done. That's very important. Then another functionality that we've brought in, it's the possibility actually to use applications via our platform. So this is done in different ways. The one thing is that we actually are providing applications via the cloud to your service technicians. That means the service technician actually does not have to have the application on the PC he's using. So he can do it from anywhere in the world, and he even can do it from a PC that is not his own. Additionally to that, of course, you are also sure that the service technician is always using the latest version of your application. Since it is coming out of the cloud, it is being provided out of the cloud in the moment when the service technician is needing this functionality. Okay? Then we have added the functionality of file transfer, an intelligent file transfer. And this enables actually additional use cases that you have with MindSphere. One use case is that you, for example, want to send documents, handbooks, things like these from the backend to the devices so that they are available there. A second thing is, for example, that from the device, from the machine, you want to send log data or you want to send pictures to the backend. Furthermore, the topic of software distribution. So you do not anymore have to send out CDs, USB sticks or something to your customers so that they can do the software update. But via the Codex Communication platform, you can provide the files and send them to the machines. You can be sure that they arrived there, you get a message back that they have arrived, and you also get the information when installation has happened. And the last thing is concerning antivirus patterns, because also antivirus patterns have to be distributed to the machines. And in the time of cybersecurity, this is extremely important and has to happen fast. Then we've got a service agent. The service agent is actually empowering the machine on the edge to do condition monitoring and to do asset management. And this has the huge advantage that you actually reduce the data amount that you are sending to your backend for analytics into the direction of MindSphere. A very strong feature that we have is the transparent proxy capability. What does that mean? With a transparent proxy capability, we can actually use any protocol that we have via our platform, and also any application can be actually transferred via our platform. So that means if you have some specific software that you are using to do some programming on the machine, for example, or do maintenance activities, we can tunnel that via the platform without you having to do any changes. And the big advantage is that it's really giving you the highest flexibility and that prevents you from any vendor dependency. And that is important because we really want to have an open platform, an open ecosystem where you can connect anything you want to, and you can also in the future are able to use the applications that you are used to. So I invite you also to come to our Athos Platinum launch. It's behind you on the left side. There we have different solutions around MindSphere that we can present to you there. And for the rest of the day, I wish you all the best, and especially an inspiring day, because there's still a lot to see. Thank you very much.